Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I'm making keto, sugar-free chocolates for Valentine's Day. This is such a simple recipe. It's just about as simple as melting chocolate. Well, kind of. You'll see I actually went through a certain amount of chocolate getting this recipe right. I'm going to save you that trouble anyway. So let's get started. Let's prepare our chocolate first. Here I've got 4 ounces of 100% cacao dark chocolate. This is unsweetened, and I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. Once you've got it in small pieces, we're going to put it in a glass bowl like this one. Here I've got 2 ounces, that's 56 grams of cacao butter, and I'm going to also chop that into small pieces. And once it's chopped, just add that in to the bowl with the chocolate. Here I've got a small saucepan with about 1 inch, that's 2 centimeters of water in it, that I'm heating up over high heat. And we want a pan that our bowl will fit on nicely, like that. I don't want to put that on there yet. Put the lid on it and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, turn the fire off and then put the glass bowl on top and give it a stir once in a while. This takes a little patience, and wait for the chocolate to melt. And here you can see after about 2 minutes, the cacao butter and the chocolate are beginning to melt very nicely. Now here's after about 4 minutes, and here our chocolate's completely melted. Now I'm going to add a few flavorings. To begin with, a teaspoon of instant coffee, or this is actually instant espresso. In it goes. And I'm just going to stir that in. Next, we need some sweetener. Here I've got 1/2 cup of my homemade sweetener, and I'll put a link on the screen. This is 2 ounces or 56 grams. You might want to weigh it and do it to taste, of course. I'm going to add this gradually because if you dump the whole thing in, the chocolate will seize up, and we don't want that. So I'm just going to do it carefully here. And this also helps the sweetener dissolve nicely. And here add in a little bit more and give it a nice stir. Just thoroughly incorporate it. And then here's our last addition of sweetener. And just get that all the way stirred in. Now next, we're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir that in as well. And that's pretty much all there is. These are chocolate molds. I bought these on Amazon. Aren't they cute? Now, all I have to do here is pour the chocolate into the molds. You got to be pretty careful about it. Chocolate's really messy, and in it goes, into the next, and into the next. And now that our molds are filled, we'll put them in the refrigerator for an hour at least. And after an hour in the refrigerator, they're pretty solid, and you can unmold them. Really cute, right? Well, I think it's time to give it a taste, right? I think these are just so cute. Oh. That is so delicious. Wow. It tastes just like chocolates made with sugar. They're really delicious. Before we go, let's talk macros. For the whole recipe, it comes down to 1,095 calories, 25.1 grams of net carbs, 16.2 grams of protein, and 120 grams of fat. Per piece, and we made 30 of them, that's 36.5 calories for each piece, 0.8 grams of net carbs, 0.5 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fat. I really hope you'll try this recipe. I also hope that you will give me the thumbs up. Share it on Facebook and elsewhere in social media, that you will comment right here on YouTube, and that you will subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow and helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking, huh? We'll see you next time.